what they're saying.
Hello and welcome to Adobe Premiere Pro. Today we are going to barely scratch the surface with what all is possible, as the capabilities are limitless in Premiere Pro. We'll be editing two large videos into one small clip and adjusting the lighting. First, we will create a new project and name the project. In this case, it will be called Fire Eating Video. We will go ahead and type that in and then click OK. The next window that pops up will be the sequence settings. The default settings will be sufficient for our needs, so we can go ahead and click OK on that. Next, we'll want to go ahead and get ready to bring the video clip in. In this case, I've opened another file folder, and I will be using the drag and drop method as I drag it into the upper left corner, where you will see the Clip tab. An Import Files screen will pop up to let you know that it is importing the file. Once it's popped up, you will get a preview of the video, as well as a icon for that video clip. Drag the video preview into the Source tab. There you will have a play, stop option, fast forward, rewind option, as well as the two most important tools for video editing, your open and closed brackets known as your source in and source out points. These will be what you use to set what part of the video you would like to drag into your main clip. Find your starting point, go ahead and hit the open bracket. Then, once you find where you want to stop your video, you can go ahead and close that bracket, closing the points of video that you wish to be using. Then, using drag and drop, you can drag that video clip onto the video timeline below. Then, we will be searching for our next starting point, where you can either use the play button to go by slowly, you can use your fast forward rewind slider, or you can drag the mouse across the timeline. Once you find the correct starting point, you may then go ahead and click your set in point bracket. Then, we'll go ahead and hit play to slowly find the ideal spot to stop this video clip. As we're going along, when we find the ideal location, we can go ahead and click stop and then close that bracket. With the point set, we can go ahead and drag this video clip adjacent to the previous clip. I'm going to go ahead and speed things up here a little bit with the next couple video edits, as they are the same process repeated. Once I get all my video clips put together, I can then move to the next tab over, the Project tab, where I can play all the clips and preview them, make sure that there is some cohesion between clips so that it does look nice. As we're going through, paying special attention as the line approaches the end of the current clip and into the next clip. Once the clips are pieced together in a suitable fashion, we can slow down and move to the next step. Once you find yourself satisfied with the appearance of the video clips edited together, you can then get ready to move on to the next step, where you will be then faced with audio effects and video effects, as well as transitions, to make the video a little more complete. In the lower left-hand corner, you will find a tab labeled Effects with a search bar and a list of options for you. You may search through each option to find the specific effect, or using the search bar, you can type in what effect you're looking for, in this case levels, and it will locate that for you and display on the screen. You will be given the option of either an auto levels or a regular levels. We'll use the manual levels, drag it and drop it onto the first clip, then going up to Source Media, find Effect Control, and expand the Levels menu. Here you can use the cursor to click and drag and expand each or subtract each number, or you are given the option of clicking once, opening a cursor box, and typing in the specific number you are looking for. However, if you're not sure what numbers to set, as there is a very long list of options to play around with, you have the other option, which is to go back up to the top and clicking on the small icon to the right of levels. This will bring up a histogram much like that from Photoshop. Using the histogram in the same fashion that was used in Photoshop, you can then adjust your lighting levels that will adjust all the level assets for you, therefore allowing you to make the video a little bit more visible for all. You can also play with the output level bar, which will allow you to darken or lighten the overall appearance of the video, and then click OK. Next, you can then select all of the remaining video clips and apply the levels effect to each one of them, again by dragging and dropping once you have selected all of them. When you go back up to the Source tab, you will have to edit each one individually, which is fine as the video clip has various lighting throughout each clip. This will make it easier. And if you are unsure which levels to adjust it to, you can then drag back and forth your triangles to find the correct lighting in your preview window. Once you are satisfied with the appearance of your video, then you have completed your first introduction into Adobe Premiere Pro. And remember, Premiere Pro is to the video what Photoshop is to the photo, which allows for a multitude of possibilities when working on your next video project. I hope that you enjoyed this brief demonstration of Premiere Pro, and thank you for your time.